Okay, so we continue here looking at order of operations, this time allowing for the possibility of our numbers to be signed numbers. And we begin with 3 squared minus 6 bracket parentheses 4 minus 9 minus parentheses negative 5 minus 9. So the 3 squared, we can go ahead and work that out if we want. That'll just be 9. Then we want to be careful. We can't do the 9 minus 6 there. That 6 is being multiplied, so we got to work out the bracket before we can work out the multiplication. But before we do the bracket, we got to realize, hey, I got some stuff inside there in grouping symbols, so I've got to work that out. So we have first 4 minus 9, which I can rewrite as 4 plus a negative 9. And so now, writing down what I know here, 3 squared is 9, minus 6, again, I can't subtract those, tempting as they might be. And so as we do 4 plus negative 9, we realize, hey, we got to do their difference. 9 minus 4 is 5, keep the negative sign. And then that's minus, and then we have negative 5 minus 9, which we can rewrite as negative 5 plus negative 9. We're adding, they have the same sign, so we keep the sign and we add them. And that's going to be minus 14. So at this point we have 9 minus 6 times negative 5 minus a negative 14. So before we can multiply, we got to work out the stuff in the other grouping symbol now. That means we got to do the negative 5 minus 14. So first, remember, taking away a negative is the same as gaining that amount. So that will be negative 5 plus 14. And then we work out that. Negative 5 plus 14 is positive 9. And so now we can do 9 minus 6 times 9. Well, we can write that down as 9 minus 54. At this point, if you want to rewrite that as 9 plus negative 54, you can. In either case, our final answer here will be negative 45. Again, we could write that as 9 plus a negative 54 if we need to. Okay, we could do that if we need to, if that helps you kind of keep things straight. And then in either case, the answer is going to be negative 54. Let's consider another example. This time we have a fraction. Remember, for a fraction, we can't go through and start canceling stuff out. That doesn't work. Right? We can't do that kind of stuff. Right? We have to simplify the top, simplify the bottom first. So towards that end, I have 6 minus 7 times a negative 8. So I'm going to use that trick here and think of that as negative 7 times negative 8, which will be positive 56. So I have 6 plus positive 56. And the same thing in the bottom here. That minus 8 times negative 6, I'm going to think it as negative 8 times negative 6. So that'll be 2 plus 48. And then we just continue working things out. 6 plus 56 is going to be 62. 2 plus 48 is 50. Okay. 6 plus 56 is 62. 2 plus 48 is 50. And then we just need to simplify that fraction. So 2 goes into both, so I can divide a 2 out of the 62 and get 31. I can divide a 2 out of the 50 and get 25. And then that's all the further I can go. So my answer is 31 over 25.